My name is Samina Amin, and I'm the Program Director for Tech for Politics and International Relations at Dennings. So today I think we're going to talk about the countries and multinationals.
So
Yeah.
my first question for you is, would you prefer to buy something from a local or a foreign company?
Well, it depends on the nature of the product, obviously. If it's like a skincare product, I would prefer buying from our international company, of course, because I
it's
feel the
clothes,
ingredients.
clothing.
If it's clothing related, depends on Eastern or Western, right? So if for Western clothes, I would prefer an international brand, right? And for the Eastern wear, for local clothes, I would prefer a local brand like Hardy or Sapphire or something.
Okay. And the next question is, what benefits do foreign companies bring to your country's economy?
It brings a lot of benefits because foreign companies when they come and then they invest here, of course, boost the economy. It gives job opportunities for a lot of people. Like for example, L'Oreal, right? It's a French company, but they open up their offices here and they give a lot of jobs to like a lot of good, educated individuals here. The market grew. There are a lot of L'Oreal products everywhere in the stores, etc. That's just one example. There are lots of other companies who are working, who have offices here, who have bases here in Pakistan, which actually benefits a lot to our country's economy, and economy is obviously growing because of that.
Do you think like it has a negative impact on the economy?
No, definitely not. Multinationals do not bring a negative impact because obviously they are coming in with new businesses, new products. It's growing our revenue, right? So it's boosting the economy. There's no way it's negative. It's definitely positive.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
welcome.
My name is Rahul Smananda and I'm the faculty member at the Indian School.
Okay, so my first question for you is, would you like to work with a multinational? If yes, what are the reasons?
If I opt to go to the corporate sector, I would definitely focus to go towards the McKinsey Corporation because of the job security, because of the work ethics, and the way they have the actual corporate environments. I would love to go with it. Definitely, having a big profile is a good thing.
The second question is,
Okay.
do you think foreign companies contribute positively to local communities through social initiatives?
Indeed, yes, they are doing it. Let's suppose take an example of Coca-Cola. They're definitely doing good initiatives with the local markets as well. And so I don't think so. That's a good thing. Yes.
What benefits
That's
do
it?
foreign companies bring to your country's economy?
I think that foreign companies bring a lot of foreign investment and a lot of foreign expertise that the Pakistani population would not have without them.
Yes. And do you think foreign companies create more job opportunities?
I think they definitely create more job opportunities and they also bring in salaries that normal Pakistani companies could not offer.